Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we break down the buzziest stories in AI without the jargon. Today is Saturday, March 22nd, 2025. Whether you're here for the tech or the tea, this week has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Nvidia blew minds at their GTC conference this week. Basically the Super Bowl of AI, CEO Jensen Huang introduced the new Blackwell Ultra AI chips, plus a sneak peek at the Rubin superchip coming in 2026. These chips are all about accelerating large-scale AI training and inference, especially for LLMs. They also launched Project GR00T, aiming to develop general-purpose AI robotics. Combine that with their fresh collab with General Motors on autonomous driving, and Nvidia is clearly mapping out the future. Nvidia isn't just innovating, they're shaping the direction of AI itself. These hardware leaps are what's going to power the next wave of real-time, high-intelligence applications. Google's fresh launch, Canvas, is a creative, collaborative space powered by their Gemini AI. Picture a smart digital workspace where teams can write code, plan reports, and build apps with AI helping on the fly. It's an effort to bring AI into everyday workflows, especially for creators and dev teams. Google's clearly aiming to make Gemini a productivity powerhouse, not just a chatbot. This feels like a move from cool tech demo to actually useful AI. It's exciting to see tools that enhance human creativity instead of replacing it. Apple had a bit of a rough week. At an internal meeting, Robbie Walker, who leads the Siri team, reportedly called the AI update delays ugly and embarrassing. Their next-gen Siri, powered by large language models, has now been pushed back to late 2026. The issue? Internal roadblocks and aging infrastructure. Siri just hasn't kept pace with competitors like ChatGPT or Gemini. Honestly, this kind of honesty from Apple is rare and welcome. Siri could be great, but it needs a complete reinvention, not just a polish. This week, ChatGPT and Gemini tried their hands at predicting the NCAA March Madness bracket. Both leaned heavily on top seeds, Kansas, Duke, Houston, with ChatGPT picking Auburn and Gemini picking UConn for Final Four glory. But experts were quick to call them out. March Madness is known for wild upsets, and AI's safe bets might not win anyone the office pool. It's a fun use of AI, but also a good reminder. Not everything is predictable with stats. Human intuition and chaos still play a role, especially in sports. On a much more serious note, AI made headlines this week after explicit deepfake images of Taylor Swift went viral. These AI-generated images were created and circulated without her consent, prompting an internet-wide backlash and renewed calls for legislation to regulate AI-generated content. Fans flooded platforms like X and TikTok with positive Swift content to drown out the fakes. But the damage highlighted just how vulnerable public figures, and really anyone, can be in the age of generative AI. This one hits hard. Tech should empower, not exploit. It's time platforms and lawmakers step up to protect people from this kind of abuse. Lastly, the rivalry between Elon Musk and Sam Altman is heating up. The two were once allies at OpenAI. Now they're building competing visions of AGI. Musk's XAI is going head-to-head with OpenAI, and their philosophical clash over AI safety and open-source access is gaining attention. This isn't just personal drama, it's shaping the trajectory of how AI will be developed, shared, and governed. Whether you're rooting for one or just watching the fireworks, this tension is fueling big conversations about AI ethics, access, and control. Alright, now we want to hear from you. How do you feel about AI being used to manipulate celebrity images? Should there be stricter laws, or should platforms do more? And what story from this week surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always in the loop on the latest in AI. Until next time. Hi.